Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm so excited that you're all here today. Thank you for taking the time to join. So we're so excited because today, UK's #1 face care brand is now in the Philippines. And while there are so many harsh things and elements in the world today, simple promises to be kind to your skin. And personally,
nandito tayo for the event of Simple, and it's very simple. All you have to do is to... Oh my god, I hate this girl. This girl, I love this girl. Never mind. Don't subscribe to her YouTube channel and unfollow niyo siya. Lahat ng girls. Joke lang. Love ko yan. Ayan. Love ko to eh. Nakainis no? Nakakainis talaga to si Kimi Dora. Kimi Bear! Hindi Kimi Dora! Ito si Say Bear. Ay, si Miss Bello. Ooh! Galit. Si Chevy here. Hi, Chevy! Bea to. Coffee again after the event then with Say, Chev, and Chevy, Kimi, and Bea. Ay, nako! Si Kimi Bear. Ito si Miss Bellum. Yan, si Miss Bellum. Si Chevy wala pang pangalan eh. Wala ka pang pangalan sa Powerpuff Girls. Hindi, si Kim si Blossom. Ito si Bubbles. Ako si Buttercup. Sino siya? Mojo Jojo. Sino?
Yes, yung princess, yung black hair. Ano mo yun?
Research mo yan, para yan na si Chevy. Ikaw na si Miss Keen. Ay, oh, yan si Chevy. Ayan, Miss Keen. Kimi! Okay. Hello Candy Lovers, I'm back again. So right now, it's already mga 6+-ish na. So, trinay namin ni Kim sumakay dito sa P2P. So, point-to-point ba yung tawag doon? Here, Glorieta up to Trinoma, 50 pesos lang. I like it. Ang ganda ng bus niya. Mataas siya. Tapos, very social, classy, clean. Good siya. Maganda dito kasi may seatbelt pa, girl. I love it. May ganyan. Lovers, nandito ako sa YVES Rocher dito sa Trinoma. Actually, kinuha ko na, in-avail ko na yung 3,000 worth na GC namin. And ang mga kinuha ko, more on pang hair care kasi naka 30% off sila. Hanggang kailan yung 30%? Till end of this month? Oy, naku girl, kailangan pumunta na kayo dito kasi hanggang end of this month lang pala tong 30% off nila sa lahat ng hair care products. Yung personal na favorite ko is yung ano nila, yung reparation oil. Kasi good for dry ends. Kasi you know, diba, dry yung ends. So, this one. Ito. Ito. Super bango rin niya. Tapos, ito. Maganda rin to, girl. Nirecommend to sa akin ni Miss Nikki Tew. So, kumuha ako niyan. And then this one, back up. And, ayan. Basta for hair. So, ang daming mga products from YVES Rocher. Meron sila for skincare, meron hair care, meron makeup. Surprisingly may makeup. And si Aisha, napanood ko yung vlog ni Aisha, ang kinuha niya yung mga bestseller dito, yung foundation, yung lavender oil, and then yung sunblock. Aisha. So, mga gift sets na 50% off. 295 na lang?
Yes, ma'am. Photo shower gel naman siya.
Oh, okay na to. Oh, pang regalo. 200. Ang isang set?
Ang original price nito mga
495 tas down to 295.
Yes.
Pero hanggang end of this month lang din?
Until supplies last naman.
Until supplies last. Tsaka yun. Wow. Sale din sila sa makeup. Ayan. Meron din pala silang perfumes. Ayan. May pang lalaki, may pang girl. Ito yung kinuha ni Aisha, yung lavender. Ayan, skincare. Thank you so much, girls. O yan, invite nyo sila dito.
Invite ko kayo dito. Pagtakot ko kayo sa Candyloveart.
Ayan. What's your name again?
Dito.
And
Joy.
Joey. Yan. Thank you, girls.